Alright, let's get back to basics and answer some really basic questions about Sweden.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Where is Sweden located? Sweden is located in the northern parts of Europe. How many people live in Sweden? Well, just over about 10 million. Which countries border Sweden? Well, we have Finland and Norway by land, and we have Denmark by tunnel and bridge. Which are the 3 biggest cities in Sweden? Starting on number 3, maybe the best one, is Malmö. Then we have Gothenburg, or Göteborg as we say, and the capital and the biggest one, Stockholm. What is the legal drinking age in Sweden? The legal drinking age in Sweden is 18, but you can't buy alcohol to take home with you until you're 20, because that is done through the state-owned Systembolaget. What is the Swedish currency? The Swedish currency is the Swedish crown, svensk krona. We voted no to the euro in 2003. Is Sweden a member of EU? Yes, we are. We are a member of EU after voting yes by a 52.3 margin in 1994. What is Fika? Fika is the Swedish way of having a coffee break with coffee, tea, cake, pastry, and why not a cinnamon bun? Because today, October 4th, is Kanelbullens dag, Cinnamon Bun Day. A very important day in Sweden. Which is Sweden's official animal? Well, we actually don't have an official animal, but if we did, I'm pretty sure the moose would be a good bet. But then what is the national dish in Sweden? Well, we don't have a national dish either, but if we did, it would probably be köttbullar, meatballs. What does the Swedish flag look like? Well, it's a yellow cross on a blue background. How many days of maternity or paternity leave do Swedish parents have? We have 480 per child. Is Sweden a monarchy? Yes, Sweden is a monarchy and we have a royal family and right now a king, but that person is only the head of state and not someone with actual power. The executive power is exercised by the government led by the prime minister. Legislative power is vested both in the government and in parliament, elected within a multi-party system. In order to get into parliament, your party needs to have more than 4% of the national votes, and depending on how many votes you have, that's how many seats you have in parliament. Which is Sweden's highest point? The highest point and the highest mountain in Sweden is Kebnekaise at just over 2,100 meters. Which is Sweden's biggest lake? Well, the biggest lake in Sweden is Vänern. If you have any other questions about Sweden, please post them below and I or someone else who has knowledge about Sweden or is a Swede or something like that will answer them. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you the next time you click on one of my videos. Bye. And just so you know, on this channel I post a lot of things that has to do with Swedish culture, with Swedish language. There are language challenges where I try to speak other countries' languages and they try to speak mine. So if you're interested in that, you can subscribe to this channel and you can also follow the Swedish language on Instagram where I post a lot of stuff that has to do with language and culture.